Hey, thanks for joining me. Really excited about this video here. This is the Keychron Q11, 75% mechanical keyboard. It's split, as you can see here. This is fully customizable with QMK and VIA support. I've got two rotary knobs here. CNC aluminum body, it's all aluminum. Obviously supports Mac and Windows. This is south-facing RGB. This will be the first RGB board I'm actually going to buy. The switches in here are red switches, but this is hot swappable, and I did come prepared with some Glorious Pandas. I'm going to try these lubed Glorious Panda switches, but we're not going to do this today. Today we're just focusing on unboxing and some first impressions here. I'm going to have some typing tests later and some more detailed reviews soon to come. But let's open this baby up. I got this at Micro Center today. Micro Center has a huge selection of keyboards. They actually had a couple used keyboards that were on sale. One of them was actually a Keychron K10 full-size keyboard. I almost got that instead, but it was half the price of this. But this is what I went in there for. This is what I've been looking for. This is gonna be awesome. Check the back here. I already said most of this, right? There is a 75% layout. It's going to be a split design, compatible with both Mac and Windows. I can personalize it with some open source firmware and change some keys around. Screw-in stabilizers, which I've never seen before, and some sound absorbing foam. Might take this apart one day, but we'll see. This is the colorway, I believe, that we've got today. But without further ado, let's see what we got here. We got some crinkly foam. Smells funny. Standard tutorial from the Keychron here. We've got a quick start guide. Looks like it comes with the Windows keys, which is what we're going to keep. Got instructions, the switch, different layers that we can make here. We can adjust the backlight brightness with function W or function S. The remapping software, backlight effects, warranty, factory reset if necessary. We'll save that. I know about switches. Got a user manual here. Most of the stuff that I need was already covered in the quick start guide, so we're cool there. Got this little cable that connects the two pieces. This is a nice Keychron branded USB-C to USB-C, even with a Keychron Velcro. This is fancy. These are metal. Gold tips. Man, pulling out all the stops. Appreciate it. Couple cords here. I'm sure I've got another Keychron tool. We have our replacement keys, Windows and Alt-Alt. We've got the hideous switch puller. I got myself a switch puller today. And they gave me a little screwdriver. Okay. Let's see what's in here, guys. This is different than the other Keychron keyboards I've had. It usually opens along the side, but like this side here, not the end like that. Ooh, this has got some weight to it. There's some plastic there. This is beautiful. Let me make sure this is coming through here. This is really pretty. Oh man. I like these keycaps. This knob has a very subtle feeling when you turn it. You know, I might keep these reds. They're not bad. I might at least switch out my alphabet. I like to have brown on the alphabet here, and they're lube, so we'll see. Got some keys that I can configure here. Got my F row. Now, I like this keyboard the best. This is my Keychron K7 low profile. I just like it the best. But I think this is going to win me over. Look at that. It doesn't hold, I mean, we can obviously put it together like that, but it doesn't hold like it's supposed to stay like that. But it's really heavy. It's not going anywhere once you put it together. Okay, let me sit back down here. See what we got. We got this peel here. This looks like a low profile keyboard, right? I mean, this is almost the same. I don't have calipers, but interesting. I might try some low profile keycaps on this. The only issue is going to be the space bar. I don't have a full, like, gigantic set of keys that has all the different sizes, but whatever. There's a peel right here. That wasn't very satisfying. Nothing special there. All right, let's see what this is. We got two USB-C ports here, obviously, so that we can connect these to each other. Is that how it's supposed to go? Okay, and then, you know what, I've got another USB-C already connected for my other. So let's just connect it. Oh, pretty RGB. Turn this light off. You can see that RGB a little better. I mean, you can just, there's a lot of light coming in from outside, but look at that. So how do I do this again? Function Q to change the effects. How do I make it brighter? Let's make it the brightest. To increase brightness, function W. And then function Q. Swirly. All right, you know what? Let's get right into a typing test. Without further ado, Okay, let's split this up a little bit, right? So you got the point. This is the true test here. That's all I've got for today. You know what, before we go, I'm gonna bring up this page of features and specs so you can see from the site. I got this at Micro Center Mall. Had a great conversation with a young man named Will, who upsold me to these glorious Panda switches and to this switch puller, which I didn't really need. I mean, I've got this one and I've got another set, but this looks cool. So I'm going to practice on this and use it for a while and see how I adjust. If I have any updates, I'll be sure to share them with you. If I do any changes or mods, any mods or changes will be shared as well. I want to share my experience with you and give you a chance to learn from my purchase here. I wasn't able to find enough information about this on the YouTube, so hopefully this will help you guys make some choices. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you have been thinking about buying this and you weren't sure, let me know. Let's check out this spacebar real quick. Okay. I mean, I do have keys that I can switch out with this, so we might do it.